What up, fam? This is why you should subscribe to Rev Partners and get your daily juice of RevOps in your life. We have shows and we curate specific content on topics to help you execute revenue operations. We create educational videos or fun videos about how to do RevOps. We have HubSpot parody videos. We have Pit Stops to Podium, where we talk to revenue leaders who've run the race and won, and they're dropping knowledge bombs like it's hot. We have comedy videos where Robert Jones is making HubSpot parodies that will make you laugh and won't keep watching. We have Things You Should Know with me, a host, Matt Boland, that will be going over some tricks and trades on how to execute things in HubSpot. We have our own HubSpot music album where we have songs that we've written to talk about HubSpot that you can actually get on Spotify. And we have Letters to Alex, where people ask questions and we answer the hottest questions that are in the internet about how to execute something HubSpot. And if you go all the way to the bottom, we even got a training series to teach you how to use HubSpot. And you're forgiven if you have not subscribed yet to the channel. Stay awesome, keep doing it big, and never stop believing. Adios.